Hey, my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back once again to our channel. I hope you all are well and I hope you had a very lovely weekend. Today is our day 14 workout challenge. If this is what you want to see, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please, I beg of you, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. So without further ado, I am going to start. I set up again 10 minutes skipping. I'm going to do 10 minutes today, not 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Today is 10 minutes, and we can now take it off from there, whatever that comes, but it's not going to be more than 30 minutes. Let's hop into that. It's freezing. today's workout challenge. Thank you so much. Just let me know your opinion at the comment section. I will really appreciate them. If you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. And please help me to share this any of your social media. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much. You know what? I will catch you guys up again tomorrow on our workout challenge. And don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all.